Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming power and a clean baseline. Charge both buds and the case above 50% and use the original cable. Once done, open the case and locate the multifunction buttons on each earbud. You will hold them for the reset. Make sure Bluetooth on your phone is off or forget the device in settings first. This prevents auto-reconnect while resetting. Press and hold each earbud button for 10 seconds until LEDs flash. This initiates the only reliable reset sequence. Now carry out the core reset and repair routine step by step. With the earbuds powered and case open, press and hold both multifunction buttons for 10 seconds until LEDs alternate or blink rapidly. That confirms factory reset. Next, on your phone, forget any Soundpeats True Air 2 entries and toggle Bluetooth off and on. Place earbuds in the case for 5 seconds, then remove them to enter pairing mode. Finally, select the True Air 2 entry on your phone and accept any pairing prompts to restore proper stereo link. Finish by confirming stereo audio and updating firmware when available in the Soundpeats app. Firmware fixes many connectivity bugs. If one earbud remains silent, remove only that bud and perform the 10-second button reset on it alone, then repair with the other buds still in the case. Make sure volume limits and media audio are enabled on your phone. If troubles persist, test the earbuds with another phone to determine whether the issue is the source device. This isolates software problems from hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.